what we
All
can
right,
do.
Charles, good luck, my friend.
Here we go. Here we go. Julian Love, Alvin Kamara, Nate Wiggins, and notoriety Malik Neighbors. Corum, Kenneth Walker, Jalen McMillan, and Kayvon Thibodeau on the bang.
Little Mike Breen. Wrong sport.
There is Kyron Williams and Joe Burr. Josh Hines, Allen, Brock Bowers, Rook, we'll take that. CJ Stroud. There is Daniil Hunter on the National Pride, and Marvin on the Elevate. Marvin Harrison, Rook. Take that. A couple nice Rooks so far. Interesting. Joe Burrow.
What do we
I just
got?
need Emmitt Smith. I don't know. Find out in a second.
What do we have?
Drake May, NFL debut Rook. Reed, there is Zamir White, Sugar Ray, and Herbie on the notoriety. What do we got here? Got an auto.
Oh, all right.
Got an auto. It's going to be Dorian Thompson-Robinson on the scripts.
Fun. DTR.
DTR on the scripts auto. He could play this year.
Yeah, not bad.
DTR on the auto there for your Mega Box auto. Not too
take
bad,
that.
Charles. Thanks so much for the order. Hope you enjoyed that. Appreciate you.